The basic sweep requires two elements, a profile and a path. A profile is a sketch that defines the cross-sectional shape of the sweep. In this example, the profile sketch is a circle. A path is used to control the direction of the profile. In this example, a sketch is used to control the path. We'll see later that a path can be something other than a sketch, but for this basic example, a sketch is used to define the path. There are some important differences between sweeps and the basic extrude and revolve features you may be more familiar with. Let's take a look at these differences by creating a basic sweep from scratch. When you begin a new part, the only available icons on the Features toolbar are the Extrude and Revolve features. The Sweep icon is not available. Remember that a sweep requires two elements, a profile and a path. SOLIDWORKS knows that at the moment I have neither, so it wouldn't make sense for the Sweep icon to be available at this point. To activate the Sweep icon, you first have to create both a profile and a path. Let's concentrate first on creating the sweep profile. I'll begin a new sketch on the front plane and sketch a circle. As with other features, it's not necessary to dimension the sketch before completing the feature. All I need for the sweep profile is a circle, so I'll exit the sketch. Next, we'll create the sweep path. For this, I'll begin a new sketch on the top plane. It's very important that you understand we are now working on a new sketch that's completely separate from the first sketch. In this new sketch, I'll create a line and a tangent arc to serve as our path. And put in some dimensions. Notice that even at this point, although the path is essentially complete, the sweep icon is still not active on the Features toolbar. To be able to use the sweep feature, I must have a profile sketch and a path sketch, and I must exit out of all sketches. In other words, I cannot be in edit sketch mode. I'll exit the sketch, and now you see the sweep icon is available. I'll click on it, and we'll see the Sweep Property Manager appear. At the top of the Property Manager, you will see two selection boxes. The first is where you select the sketch you wish to use as a profile, and the second is where you select a sketch to be used as the path. If you forget which goes where, simply hold your pointer over the blank section box and a tooltip will appear telling you what is required. You may also notice that one of these selection boxes may already contain a sketch, although you did not select one. This will happen if you select the sweep icon immediately after exiting a sketch. In this case, I had just exited the path sketch when I clicked the sweep icon, so SOLIDWORKS placed the sketch into the path selection box. If you're wondering how SOLIDWORKS knew this was the path sketch and not the profile sketch, it assumes a sketch containing an open contour will be used for a path, while a closed contour will be used for a profile. Since the path sketch is already selected, all I have to do is select the profile sketch. I can do that by clicking on the circle itself, or by selecting the sketch from the Feature Manager tree. To be sure the correct sketches are selected, SOLIDWORKS will color code them for you as you indicated in the Property Manager. The blue sketch is your profile, while the pink sketch is your path. In case you made a mistake with your selections, you can easily remove an item from the selection window using one of several methods. The easiest is to simply click the selected sketch in the graphics area. This works like a toggle switch. One click selects the sketch, another deselects the sketch. You can also right-click the selection box and pick Clear Selections. And you can right-click in the box and press Delete on your keyboard. Any of these methods will work. As you make your selections, be sure the appropriate selection box is active. As with other selection boxes in SOLIDWORKS, you know which one is active because it is highlighted. With the sweep feature, once you select a profile, the path selection box is automatically activated so you can quickly make your next selection. With both the profile and path sketches selected, I'll click OK and the simple sweep is complete.